MTD CNC today are in Elland in Yorkshire. We've come to the new home of Colchester Machine Tool Solutions. Now in the next 60 seconds or so I'm going to walk you around the showroom just to show you what machines are available here to come and see that can be demonstrated to you. Now you'll know Colchester. Wow, who doesn't know about a Colchester machine? You've probably used one. In fact, I'm sure you've used one. That's what you're presented with here at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions. As we firstly walk down this line, you'll see everything from the Master, the Colchester Master. There's also the student machines. There's the popular Triumph with the digital readouts. All machines available to come and see here in demonstration. You can see the spindles actually turning. You've got the Mastiff. This is a popular machine, a long flatbed lathe, brilliant for tool rooms. Then we move up to the Harrison Alpha 1400 XC. I really like this machine. This has got a turret on it, and this is actually has driven tools on this machine. Imagine looking for or wanting a conventional machine, but then also thinking that you can actually have the opportunity to do milling on it as well. Full CNC flatbed lathe. Another 1400 here. This is the XS, so we've got a tool post on this machine. Again, the spindle turning, ready for a demonstration. You can come here to Colchester Machine Tool Solutions pretty much at any time. Look at this for a beast. This is the 1550 XS. This as well has a turret on it, but what a demonstration this is, just showing you the heavy duty or the rugged nature of the machines. Now in more recent times they've moved and advanced with their technology, now offering sub-spindle solutions here, turning centres with sub-spindles. We can't get the door open on this one in a minute. We'll maybe put an overlay over the top, but as you see here, this is the Typhoon B65 Msy Machine. Obviously for one-hit machining, and they're actually machining a BT40 tool holder on here. But this is actually this is a machine that's got 65mm on the main spindle, but they do smaller machines as well. Bread and butter here. This is the Typhoon L65 machine. This is a 2 or a 3-axis turning centre. They sell a bundle of these machines. People buy Colchester machines not just because of the product that they're offering, but really down to the heritage of the business. Over 100,000 machines installed around the world. They've got distribution networks all around the world. Here's another new model. This is the Storm VMC. This has got a big plus spindle on it, heavy duty machine. And it's no slouch either, as Keith Clow was telling me earlier. This is a Storm 1050. They also do a smaller VMC than this, a 600. I think they do an 800 version, the 1050, and even bigger ones too. And then when we're talking about automation, look, they've even got a robo job from Hydrofeed attached to this Colchester L65M. And again, this can be seen here in Elland and can be seen running as well, so you can look at automating your factory. Also big into laser marking. Now if you're doing chemical etching on components for traceability purposes, maybe you're using another solution like peening, they actually supply laser marking machines here, and you can see here that's the sort of result that you can get from investing in one of their laser marking pieces of technology. This is their showroom here in Elland. It is a fantastic place, just located just off the M62 here in Yorkshire. All of these machines are pretty much a permanent fixture here. They do have machines in stock. These machines are in stock, and if you bring your components, your drawings, you talk to the guys here, they can really assist you in your next machine tool purchase. Brand new here from Colchester Machine Tool Solutions.